If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can easily grow tons of lemongrass at home from store-bought lemongrass. So here in front of you, you could see a packet of lemongrass. This packet contains 100 grams of lemongrass, and lemongrass is actually a type of flavoring herb which is usually used in Southeast Asian cuisines, especially in the Thai cuisine, and it is a grass which has a distinct lemony essence to it, and it is very easy to grow. And in this video I'll show you how you can easily grow this lemongrass at home. First, let me show you how big this plant is. I told you I bought 100 grams of lemongrass. So if I unfurl and unfold this entire bunch in front of you, you will be able to see this is actually a huge grass. You see how big the plant is? So this is the stalk that I am holding in my hand, and these are the tips of the leaves. So we'll be working with the stalks today because that is required for growing the lemongrass plant again from this bundle. So what I have done is I have taken a chopping board, and I'll place this bundle on the chopping board, and I'll cut off the stalk portion or the lower, thicker, fleshier portion of this bunch using a very sharp knife. So I will leave some gap right above the stalk of this plant, and I'll make a cut over here. Please don't discard the leaves once you have got hold of the stalks, because these leaves will be used for flavoring soups. You can make tea out of it. It's a very refreshing tea. You need to just tie the strand of grass like this into a knot and place it in any boiling soup or water to get your own fine brew of lemongrass. It's a very mild flavoring herb, and it has a beautiful distinct aroma to it. So I have got these 4 stalks from the bunch that I showed you, and if I show you a close-up of the stalks over here, you will see that the stalks look quite sturdy, and if I press down on the stalks using my finger, it does not create a hollow inside. So you see the stalks are quite sturdy from the inside because they have a lot of fleshy material inside them. But if I show you this stalk, you see I press it and it almost constricts. This is because the inside of the stalk is hollow. I won't be able to grow lemongrass from this stalk. If I put this in water, this will start rotting. See, I am unfurling it and it is just folding out like this. So I will use only these 3 stalks for planting my lemongrass plant. So first what I'll do is I'll get rid of any leaves that are covering the base of the stalks like this. And once I remove one leaf, you see there is a new growth that is emerging out of the root. So this has already been there, and I believe such growth is there in all the other stalks. So I will clear out all the stalks and I'll come back to you. So I have cleared out the 3 stalks, and you see right beneath the leaves in all the 3 stalks there are signs of new growth. So this is a very fresh bunch of lemongrass that I got. I'm lucky. And now I will show you how you can easily use this for planting your own lemongrass plant. The procedure is quite simple. You take a glass like this and fill it almost 1/4 using filtered water. If you have hard water in your area, I would suggest you use filtered water. So I'll fill the glass up till this length, and I will slowly dip the lemongrass stalks in the glass like this, and I'll keep these stalks in a very, very well lit area. Now when I am shooting the video, the cyclone Bulbul, as you must have heard, is raging outside. But once that subsides, I'll definitely place this glass in a bright sunny location, and I have kept the water at this level so that the root area remains moist and the stalks are able to grow roots fast. So right after 2 days, you can see small growths emerging out of the base of the stalk, and after 5 days, look at the enormous number of roots that have already started growing out of this bunch of stalks, and there are new growths also perking out of the stalks that I showed you. So I hope you found this video useful. Buy lemongrass from the stores and use this technique to grow roots. My next video will be on how you can plant these stalks. So stay tuned to my channel and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Whimsy Crafter for more such updates. Happy gardening!